Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Dude Man Bro, and I hope you all having a fantastic day. Just bringing you another quick video here, and this is going to be my overall market update for crypto and the Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, and how I think everything is going to be going for next week. The price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these altcoins are going to be coming into next week. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we're just going to jump right in here. So first of all, I want to kind of go over the price of Bitcoin. We did see about a 46,000 per coin, 47,000 per coin, and it just sank, and everybody was so worried and scared. But I did bring a short, and if you haven't looked at that, check that out in my profile. I think that this was organized. I think this is a perfect opportunity to buy, and is kind of the other worry about these companies coming into the crypto space and how much money, billions and billions of dollars, to provide to the market. And that is a good way to manipulate the market here. Let me talk about the price of Bitcoin right now. I think that this chart is looking fantastic. I think that we are going to be blowing past 45 to 48K by next week. I think that we hit a low of where we're going to see basically, I think 41.5 is probably where our low is going to be, and I don't see us dropping below that anytime soon again. I think this was a very good opportunity to buy in, and I talked about how a lot of investors don't like to hold stocks in certain things, especially institutions, over a long weekend, and Monday is a federal holiday, so the markets aren't open, so a lot of people were just dumping money, and I think that went into how crypto is in a way, especially with these new ETFs that were just announced and approved. But I do think that this is very bullish because we have hit an all-time low on exchanges for Bitcoin. This article's about 2 months old, but we are seeing exchanges that there is only a small amount of Bitcoin that's available on them. And on top of that, we have BlackRock, who is buying up, and you have these other companies, ARK and Grayscale, are buying Bitcoin all-time low in the reserves. Not very much is out there. If this is not a red flag to shoot up, I don't know what is. Especially you have Ethereum network. Their new update is going to be dropping by the Q1 of this year, and that's the Denkun. And layer 2s, I believe, are going to be outrageous. ARB, P, you have Loopring, are just to name a few. I think we're going to see the biggest returns on those. And along with Ethereum has been pushing up. I believe it touched 27 or 2,600 actually on Friday. So I think that that's very bullish for Ethereum and these other altcoins. But I believe that this is the perfect opportunity to grab those projects that you were waiting maybe to pull the trigger on. I think this is a perfect opportunity to grab some of those. But another thing I want to bring up is, so this is a snippet of what BlackRock owned in the Bitcoin ETF prior to them launching it. This is how much they bought, which was 2,620, which was $112 million worth of Bitcoin, which is not a small amount. Like I said, there's only a certain amount of Bitcoin that are in exchanges now, and one of the biggest companies, crazy amount of money, and especially with the micro strategy, is they're buying it like crazy too. And you have new laws in 2024 about owning crypto on companies' sheets too. I think that is a bullish narrative for all this. What I wanted to bring up though with this screenshot is that's how much they owned before. But yesterday, surprisingly yesterday, when everything was kind of going to crap, BlackRock, hint hint, bought about 8,819 more Bitcoin at roughly about 43,000 each coin. They now own 11,439 Bitcoin. Huge. I think this is not a small amount, and I think that every red day they're going to be adding. You have to remember, this is a lot like gold. There's only a certain amount of Bitcoin that's out there. I think this is huge for the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. And on top of what I see in the market is it goes, the monster Bitcoin always is the first one to run, but then all the profits from Bitcoin go into the higher altcoins, and that is the Ethereum, the Solana, the Avalanche of the big three or big five, whatever. Then you have lower and layer 2s, I believe it goes in next, and then last you have meme coins. So I think that we should be I'm personally loading up on a few of these meme coins, because I think that we're only a month or so away from those rocketing up 50 to 100 to even 200%. Some of them, Pepe, I think is ready to explode as one of them to talk about and everything. But yeah, that's my analysis of what Bitcoin is right now. And I think I already bought some iBit on Friday, and I'm holding it in my portfolio. I think it is a great one to buy. There are a few others, and I did get some comments regarding where to buy them from. I personally bought them through Robinhood, and actually through my employer Fidelity I bought some too, but you can also get it on Webull, which I do have a link down below if you like to support the channel, and also Coinbase link if you want to support the channel. But I think this is huge for crypto market. I think we're going to see some crazy days going forward, especially since we have these big institutions who are now in the crypto space, but they have been in the crypto space for a little while. But I said it in another video, and I'll link that down below as well. But BlackRock, they make money. They don't lose money. They're one of the biggest movers in the whole entire base of stocks and crypto now. They see that this can blow up, and they are just going to keep on buying and buying. On those red days when investors are scared and selling their Bitcoin, guess who's buying it up? Guess who just bought it? No one talked about it really. There was no big headline. Of course, they don't want no big headline because they want to get it on the cheap. And they want to keep it low so they can keep on adding. I'd be very surprised, or I'd be very happy to see how much more Bitcoin they bought on Monday or Tuesday when we do get more updates on their holdings based off of on Tuesday or Wednesday. So I am very bullish on all these. Like I said, if you want to check out any of the other videos, check out my channel. And I want to say thank you so much. I had some good comments and a lot more subscribers lately. I'm very pumped. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, leaving a comment. How do you feel about the crypto market? Are there some coins that you would like me to talk about? I'm also going to link my business Gmail account if you would like to email me if you want me to go into a crypto or a different stock, or even talk to me. You guys can get a hold of me. I'm going to be releasing my Patreon and some other video stuff down below. If you want to check any of that out, I'd be very happy. That could support the channel, and I'd be very happy to have any of you guys do it. But like I say, I wouldn't have a platform, or I wouldn't be doing this without all of you guys watching me. So I'm very happy to see where the future is going to be holding us. And remember to be humble but never satisfied, and just keep on adding to your bag, and DCA is the way. So anyway, peace out.